Hi guys, welcome to our Glory Investing channel. Today we will talk about my favorite tech stock, but first I need to ask you to please smash the living hell out of that like button. As US cities are under protest and coronavirus is attacking entire world economy, companies are struggling to get back their sales and revenue on right path. Except one company from Canada, one e-commerce monster, somebody who used this pandemic for growth, and reported that new stores created on the platform jumped 62% from March 13th to April 24th. According to the company, the growth was powered by the shift of commerce to online as well as by the extension of the free trial period on standard plans from 14 days to 90 days. Do you know which stock am I talking about? Of course, it is Shopify. If you never heard about Shopify, they are offering tools to allow businesses to open their own digital stores across multiple channels, including social media. Market cap is around $95 billion as of right now, and share price range between $740 and $760 as of right now. I am so excited to tell you why I believe that this company will be bigger than Amazon in next 15 years. I will appreciate a lot of you destroy living hell out of like button and help me to reach more people with these information. Facebook launched Facebook Shops to make it easier to sell products. Facebook is working with Shopify, BigCommerce, and other third-party services to power Facebook Shops and enable small businesses to access an ecosystem of tools to manage orders, payments, and shipments. More payments, more sales, more growth for all Shopify stores gives this stock amazing value. Next information for stockholders that I found is that stock has exploded 140% in the last 2 months, making it briefly the biggest company in Canada. Let me remind you that Shopify was founded in 2004 and made the move to go public 11 years later. It priced its IPO at $17 per share on May 21st, 2015. And here we are after 5 years with a gain of 2,600%. If you didn't check how I made $20,000 with this stock, check out this video. Next huge link is that Shopify allows its merchants to accept payments in Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and over 300 other types of cryptocurrencies. It recently expanded that reach by partnering with cryptocurrency payments processor CoinPayments, which helps merchants process 1,800 types of cryptocurrencies. If you are not a fan of cryptocurrency, you are still smart enough to understand the market that Shopify is getting with this move. Where will Shopify be in 1 year? After a monster climb through 2019, the stock is close to doubling again year to date. Investors are more bullish on the company's prospects after it reported another quarter of 47% revenue growth as more businesses are turning to Shopify to open digital storefronts during the COVID-19 pandemic. I hope that these news about my favorite tech stock helped you to make your choice. Let me know down in comments what stock are you bullish on and why. Share this with other investors because education should be free.